Pleasant night, Super Dragon Ball Hero fans. Tonight we're gonna draw Lord Slug. If you're familiar about this, Lord Slug is a Namekian. And, well, he was seen in a movie, but I don't know which one. I was recording this. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I'll figure it out soon. In the meantime, I better retrace this. Where's my thin point Sharpie? There we go. Anyway, in the movie, Lord Slug has the power to transform into a giant. And also, when he merged with the Super Dragon Ball, he turned into a colossal giant. It looks like the Super Dragon Ball chose him. It's like the Dark Dragon Ball chose him for a reason. I meant to say Dark Dragon Ball, my bad. I need a sharper pencil. Let's see. Here it is. Alright, here's the antennas that I drew here. Now we draw the hair that's made out of fire. When he turned into a giant, he grew this scary black hair. This black and red fire-like hair. I don't know what happened. I was recording this. Why did it delete? Why did it stop now? Can't be possible. Anyways, I'm just gonna draw the 4 stars. Anyways, here are the arms. You guys catching up? Here are the Dragon Ball's marks underneath his chest and above his abs. Here are the arms. Here are the armbands. Now we draw the fire. Now we draw this thing. Here are Lord Slug's abs. Here's the rest of the fire that surrounds his body. I just hope I don't malfunction like that again. There we go. Now, here's the fun part, the interesting part here. Much like Landorus, Thunderous, and Tornadus, there's this giant cloud that towers over him that he wears to, well, basically we don't get to see his feet. Basically, when he's surrounded by fog. There we go. Now here's the last arm. And finished. Oh yeah, one more thing. We draw the spikes. Go, go, go. There we go. And that's how you draw Lord Slug. Well, that's how you draw a Xeno Lord Slug. Man, he's ginormous. Hold on, forgot to draw these marks here. Oh yeah, and he's assisted by a bunch of henchmen that, well, I don't remember their names. But anyway, that's how you draw Xeno Lord Slug. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel, and let me apologize for the malfunction. I was going to finish it off, but for some reason my camera bolted on me. Don't know how that happened. Anyways, Stegosaurus, see you later.